Hey guys, this here is the first lock that I ever picked. It is a Lockwood 120N40, silicon body's been taken off, and this lock is pretty special to me. I don't have keys for it. I should probably source a blank and I'll impression it, but this is special to me because, as I said, this is the first lock that I ever picked. Like a lot of the 100 series locks from Lockwood, it has a pretty paracentric keyway. I should take this out. It's got a somewhat paracentric keyway, and it's full of spools, just like most Lockwoods are, which means that you have to be pretty careful. Now, I don't know if I have a super short hook. Let's see. I'll use this super short hook from Moki. Sorry about that. And let's keep the focus here. And as I pick this, yeah, hit 2 and you get into a false set. Wait, sorry. This tension is a bit too thick. It's thicker. Do I have thinner? It's perhaps a bit too thin. I know that a lot of other Australians like to use top of the keyway tension on this. I'm not such a fan of that. I've always been a bit of a purist when it comes to this lock. Bottom of the keyway seems to work just fine for me, so I'll just keep using it. And you'll hear just how rickety this lock is. Whenever I go into it, you can hear all the spring and all the mush inside. It's not a pleasant pick, not anymore, but when I started this 2 years ago, it was the only lock that I had around the house, and also was, you know, something that I could put my tools in. I mean, for me who didn't know how to source locks back then, this was basically all I could do. Other than, you know, go to a hardware store, spend money and buy more locks at like Bunnings or something. And whilst it's not cast, it's certainly not difficult to pick once you give it enough time. It's crunchy and grotty like a lot of other Lockwoods are, or tend to be. You get to a point in a Lockwood lock's life where if it's not treated well, it becomes like this super gritty, sort of sandy feeling lock. And you can probably hear it in the clicks as well. Just how grotty the insides are. There we go, super deep false set here. Which probably means I've set multiple spools on accident. I just need to find the last one. 5, maybe? No, 4. There we are. And we get it open. So that was the first lock I ever picked. It took me a lot longer than 4 minutes, but it means something special to me. And I'm certain that a lot of you have locks that you first picked that mean just the same amount. Thank you for watching.